Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about the PWR Posture Align Pro, a posture corrector that claims to fix slouching, reduce back pain, and improve alignment. After using it daily for a few weeks, we've noticed both positives and negatives that you need to know before buying. On the pro side, the Align Pro is lightweight and easy to wear under clothes. It gently pulls your shoulders back without feeling overly restrictive, which makes it comfortable for long periods of use. We also noticed that it helps us become more mindful of our posture, especially during long work hours at the desk. Another benefit is its adjustability. It can fit different body types and you can tighten or loosen it as needed. However, on the con side, this is not a magic fix. If you're expecting it to permanently correct your posture overnight, you'll be disappointed. It helps as a reminder, but real posture improvement still requires exercise and strengthening. We also found the straps could dig into the shoulders after extended wear, and for people with sensitive skin, that could be uncomfortable. Finally, it's not the most discreet option under tighter clothing, so keep that in mind. Overall, the PWR Posture Align Pro is not a junk, but it's also not a miracle product. It's best for those who need a posture-minded tool rather than a complete solution. Combine it with stretching and strengthening exercises and it can actually help. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.